In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the new functionality of the window object in the UX component builder. So you can see here that we have a simple component that has buttons, and both of these buttons are using Action JavaScript to open up a pop-up JavaScript window. So let's first run the component to see actually what it does, and then take a look at the enhancements that have been made to the builder. So we're doing a mobile preview, and let's preview in, say, a iPhone vertical over there. And I'm going to first press this button to open a window that is called an action sheet. So you can see I'm going to click the window, and a pop-up window comes up from the bottom of the screen. There's a very smooth animation that unfortunately will not show well in the video, but this animation is very smooth because it's a hardware assisted animation. And this window is what Apple calls an action sheet. So it's a pop-up window that has several options on it, represented by various buttons, and then when I click one of the buttons, the action is performed and the window gets dismissed. On the other hand, this button here opens another window, and in this case the window appears like a panel. So it's going to slide in from, in this case it slides in from the right, and then I click the close button and it dismisses. So both of these buttons use the same window object in Alpha 5, but they are configured differently. So let's go back now and take a look at how that was actually done. So we'll go back to the builder. So here we have the builder, and we look at the first button over here. So let's go edit this action, and we can see it's a standard action in Action JavaScript called open a window. And we can see if we edit it that this window has been configured to display the contents of container 1. So there's container 1 from there to there, which has those three buttons: archive, delete, and cancel. And then we've set a whole bunch of the properties in the window so that the window behaves like an action sheet. But knowing which properties to set to make the window behave like an action sheet can be a challenge. So there's a genie here that helps you configure the window so that it has a certain behavior. So I'm going to go now and click predefined window styles, and I'm going to choose action sheet, and now I can go and choose properties of this action sheet. I'm going to say this action sheet doesn't have a title, and I'm going to leave the window height blank, which means that the action sheet will be the correct height to display its content. Another obviously predefined window style is a modal panel, which is what we use for the other window in this video. So I'm going to go ahead now and click OK, and then when I click yes, now we're going to go and set all of the necessary properties in this builder so that the window behaves like an action sheet. And having done that, we've configured the window so that it behaves like an action sheet. Then when we go to, for example, this panel over here, we can go back now, edit this. So this panel is displaying the content of container number 2. Let's bring up predefined panel styles, and let's go now and we'll give it a title. We'll say that the title is instructions, and so we'll go here and change that to hide. We'll make the panel slide in from the right. Okay, so let's make it slide in actually from the left, and then set the close button justification to be on the right. So let's go there, save that. So that's now gone and overwritten the properties, and then save that, and now go ahead and run it. And here we go. We're looking at iPad horizontal, so let's go and choose our panel now, and you can see it now slides in from the opposite side. So you can see that these predefined window styles allow you to very quickly emulate common patterns that you see in mobile applications. Thank you very much for watching.